We'll guide you through how to set up Hey Google on an Android. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Hey Google is a really convenient feature because you can go and say, Hey Google, and your phone will start listening to you and you can tell it to do something. For example, set a timer, ask it what the weather is, different things like that. So we'll guide you through setting it up. Make sure there's full guide so you don't miss anything, as it can be easy to go and do this incorrectly or miss something out. So what you want to do is go and swipe up. You want to go and find the option for settings, search for it at the top if needed. In here, you then need to go and scroll down and you need to go and find the option for Google services. You can tap there. Then you press all services to the right and you want to go and start scrolling down. Go and find the option for search assistant and voice and you can go and tap there. Now what you need to do is go and find Google Assistant and you can tap there. We need to find the option for voice match. Now what we need to do is go and train this. So you can go and press setup to the right and it'll go and say just a sec. Now we can go and set up voice match for account to do more by talking. So we can press more, read this through. We're going to be recording clips of our voice. Then you can go and scroll down and if you do, press I agree. Okay, Google, help me write a thank you note. So it's going to go and tell you some different things you need to go and say. We'll complete that. Okay, Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Then we'll go and get another one. Hey, Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. And you'll get a final one. Hey, Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Now that should be it. So we've now gone and successfully set it up. As you can see already, you can press done. Now, if you find that you go and say, Hey Google, it's not going to go and start working. I'll press not now there. What you then need to do is come back. You need to come back again and you need to go and find Gemini. You want to go and tap there. Then you want to go down and you want to go and find the option for talk to Gemini hands-free. And this needs to be switched on. That's super key. Now what we can do is go and press turn on like so. Now it's ready. So we can go and press done and choose if you want to save it. So now if I go and say, Hey Google, you'll go and see it opens up and that's it. Hey Google, what's the weather today? As you can see, I asked it what the weather is and then I'll go and get an answer. It's that simple. So if you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again.